Hey, 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 party people. How is everybody today? Welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. It is Jennifer Woolsey, and I need to close the shower. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and we're going to talk a little bit today about why wear makeup. So if you follow me on my personal profile, I did some skincare tips this morning, and I will share that I'll share that video here into Jennifer Woolsey Beauty Biz and on my YouTube channel so that you can get all the skincare tips to help with self-care. Because if you never put a stitch of makeup on, start with a good skincare regimen. And I do that with my Ultimate Knox and New line, doing the serums, I'm doing the face cream. And then this morning I added in a little bit of my vitamin C eye brightener to help brighten that skin. So we are good to go. Let's prime. Let's prime with VDL Satin Primer. So I was talking with a friend the other day and she was like, I just don't even put makeup on. I have to wear this mask all day or I don't leave my house. So what is the point of putting makeup on? And I just wanted to share my perspective. I think that with 2020 being a little bit chaotic, a little bit is maybe an understatement, we're going to do our Magix wand. This is actually a foundation stick in shade Marshmallow, but I'm going to use it today as a concealer. You can kind of move things around and use them for different reasons. And that's what we're going to do today. Anyway, we were talking about how makeup just, I don't know about you guys, but for me, it just makes me feel better. It maybe it is a, what is that word? Maybe it is a false security. Good morning, Christina. Maybe it is a false security, but for me, it just makes me feel better to get up, get dressed, and put myself together. And no, I mean, does it have to be every day? No. For me, I try to do it at least during the week. And on the weekends, we relax a little bit more. But, okay. All concealed. Yay. We're going to do Cashmere Complexion Powder Foundation in shade N120. So, that's my first reason for doing makeup is because it makes me feel better. But it's also, a lot of times, it can just add a little extra oomph to your day. How about? So do you ever notice that some days you just feel like blah and like nothing's working out the way that you want it to? But if you can start things with a positive, like feeling pretty or feeling put together, that always makes my days go a little bit smoother. So that is my reason. Christina, why do you wear makeup? Maybe you don't wear it every day, but when you do, why do you wear it? I love this powder foundation, you guys. It just buffs in so well and gives such a good full, it's probably a medium coverage. I would say medium, not full, but that's okay because it gives us some coverage. Now I can do my YouTube videos and feel like I am put together. Okay, this is our Tattoo Station brow pencil. So I'm just going to highlight these brows. And you know, I don't do it for attention as far as like to get people to compliment me. But it does feel nice every once in a while for my husband to say, oh, you look nice today. Or, you know, that your makeup looks good. Not that he does it very often, but every once in a while he'll compliment. And even sometimes when I don't have makeup on, he'll say, oh, your skin looks good. Or, you know, something like that. Just, I think he does it because he knows that that fills my love tank. To hear him notice, I'm sure he probably really doesn't even notice, but it makes me feel better. Okay, brows are lined. to feel pretty and put together. See? Yes, I think a lot of us have the same thought process when it comes to makeup. It just makes us feel, I don't know, human again. Even if you're not leaving your house, you just feel human. So, okay, we're brushing out those brows. Let's do some eyeshadow. Let's do our Love in Paris palette. I'm in love with this palette. I think today I want to pull some pinks and some purples. Why not? Why not play with things a little bit? So I did this one and this one. So Christina, when you do makeup, do you do a full face or do you just do a few things? You know, I think that's the beauty of it, is some people are like, I'll just do some mascara and some lip gloss and go. Some people are more like me, a full face. And that's the beauty of it, is you can make it work for however you feel is best. And I'm not going to say that there aren't days when I'm like, I just don't feel it. I'm just not feeling it. I'm not putting anything on. I'm just going nude on the face, if you will. Like I always try to wear clothes. That's a good goal. Wear clothes. But you can, you know, just do a few steps. Oh, that pink. It really pops on my eyes. It's crazy. Until this palette, I have not really experimented much with pinks. But I'm kind of thinking that I'm falling in love. What do you think? I like it. It's pretty. It's pretty. It's pretty. Okay, let's take, here we go. This is kind of a fluffy brush. And we're going to pull some champagne color in here and a little bit of that pink. And I'm just going to touch that purple. We're just going to mix it all together. Kind of like when I was a kid, we used to go to a local skating rink. And the big thing for all the kids was to get what we called a suicide drink. So it was all the drinks mixed together. So it was like Coke and Dr. Pepper and Big Mountain Dew and Big Red. It was like all the drinks together. So we're just going to kind of mix all the eyeshadows together and give ourselves a look. I mean, I know that's not socially acceptable these days to say things like that, so I apologize if I offend anyone. We are such in an offensive culture, right? Everything we say could offend someone. So now we're going to take this color right here, and we're going to do a little highlight under the brow. I'm not trying to offend anybody or lessen the stigma on suicide. I know mental health is a big deal, so please don't think that. We're just messing around with our eyeshadow here. Okay. And then we're going to do over here. Just a little, I'm just patting that in just to give it a little highlight. What do we think? There we go. Okay, let's do some liquid liner and line these eyes out. Uh-oh, I kicked it up just a little bit too soon. There we go. Kicked it up just a little bit. I had a girl tell me the other day, she said, I don't know how you do that liquid liner like that without drawing all over your face. And I was like, well, you just kind of try to hold your hand steady. And I just let my arm do the work, really. I just try to hold my hand steady and then I move it with my arm. Maybe that's a tip that will help you. If you could do like, ooh, you could do like all kinds of like dewy decimal points or something, but I'm not going all funky with no eyeliner. I'm just a mom with a simple life, trying to be happy and make other people feel good and take care of my family. That's it. That's as simple as it can go. Love mascara. We are going to love on our lashes. And I got asked the other day if we sell any other mascara, and we do. This is just my favorite. But I'm going to order in some different mascaras to try for you guys so you can see some different ones. I am just a creature of habit. I like to use what I like. Are you that way? Do you find that there's a few products that are your brand that you are just a must-have? Which I'm an all AVON lady because that's what I sell, and I sell it because I believe in the products, so I use them. But do you have one product that's like, that's my wow product? I have a lot of them, so I couldn't tell you just one, but I have a few favorites. We're going to do our Blush and Love cheek palette. We're going to add in just a little blush on those cheeks and on this side. See, it just makes you feel better when you're all put together. I just don't feel so blah. And a little bit of highlighter here and here and here. Just highlighting it up, making it all work together. I've been getting a bunch of friend requests and been talking. Oh, that's awesome, Christina. We're going to do Lip Mattitude in Respect because it's my favorite. Get them to register for the sweepstakes. If you guys haven't seen that post here on Jennifer Woolsey Beauty Biz, register for the sweepstakes. You can get all kinds of free gifts. I'm all about free stuff. So I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys today. I hope that you have a beautiful day. Get up, do some makeup, feel better, and have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.